Swadhina Bhartrika. This is a lover, this is a gopi lover that completely controls Krishna. This is what we like to see. Radharani, we just heard how she's Proshita Bhartrika, wants to kill herself and separation from Krishna. She wants to commit suicide, but she's not killing herself because she's living with the hope that Krishna will return. And moreover, she's living with the idea that if I kill myself and Krishna comes back, then he'll kill himself without me. Because he's only living in separation from me by remembering me. I've heard from the transcendental news through the different messengers and kings and princes that Krishna's in Dwarka. So when Krishna's in Dwarka, Radharani is intensely experiencing Proshita Bhartrika Bhav. And when Krishna's in Dwarka, his queen Rukmini has reported to the other queens, and it's, things travel very fast. 40 years ago they said there's 3 ways of rapid communication, rapid sending message. One is called telephone, one is called telex, the other is called telewoman. So this was true 40 years ago when they had the telex. It's like a machine. So 5,000 years ago, Rukmini told Satyabhama, and on, told Subhadra told Balaram told Uddhava told Parikshit told Bhadranath told Yudhisthira told Krishna. And so Radharani found out the news of Krishna by a telewoman. So she found out, I'm suffering, I want to commit suicide in separation from Krishna. I'm only living on the hope that he'll come back. And Krishna is also suffering in my separation. And he's ready to commit suicide. The queens have reported that when they wake up in the morning, they go into Krishna's royal bedroom because they sleep separately generally. There's the queen's quarters and the king's quarters. So when Rukmini goes in to wake Krishna, she finds that his takya, his pillow is completely wet, and his eyes are completely red, and all dry tears are on his face when I wake him up, because Krishna's been crying all night. And sometimes in the summer, Rukmini stands beside Krishna's bed and she fans him with a chamara to refresh Krishna. And when Krishna falls asleep, all throughout the night, Rukmini hears some whispering. Krishna's whispering some mantra. And Rukmini at first can't make out what is that mantra. So she leans down next to the royal bed of Dwarkadish, puts her ear close to his beautiful lotus mouth. And what does Rukmini hear at 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock in the morning from the lips of her sleeping husband, Dwarkadish, in the palace of Dwarka? Krishna is whispering and uttering in great anguish and great separation, Radha, 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 Radha. This is described by Sanatana Goswami in Brihad Bhagavatamritam. So as Krishna, Radharani wants, in her mood, in her bhav, her naika bhav of Proshita Bhartrika, she wants to commit suicide and hanta. What does she say? Bhavita hanta sharanam. Hanta sharanam means I want to take shelter of hanta sharanam. Usually people want jiva sharan. They want the shelter of life. People want to live, not die. Preservation is the first law of nature. Preservation, saving oneself. So this is her mood, and now So that's now so that's separated. Proshita Bhartrika means separated from the Bhartri. Bhartri, the word, Sanskrit word. Bhartri can mean husband, pati, swami, and also paramour, according to Vishnu Chakravarti Thakur.